Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Huet. Today I'm going to be making guava and cheese rolls. And I've been craving this ever since I've been thinking about Portos Bakery in California. You will need puff pastry sheets, guava paste, and Philadelphia cream cheese. Cut the guava paste as 1 ounce each. I'm only making 6 guava and cheese rolls. However, the recipe listed down below will be for 12, so then you will use 2 pastry sheets. I'm only using 1 here. Cut the cream cheese in 1/2 ounces because you want the guava paste to shine. Place everything on a plate and put it to the side. Make sure your puff pastry is thawed out. Unwrap the pastry sheets. It should be pretty pliable by now, but it should still be cold. Since I'm only making 1 pastry sheet, I'm going to go ahead and cut them into squares. So 3 rows and then 4 columns. Brush the sides of the pastry sheet with an egg wash. Add the cream cheese on top of the pastry sheet. Add the guava paste on top of the cream cheese. Then cover it with the remaining pastry sheets. Then brush the top with an egg wash. I like to sprinkle some sugar on top. Then make 4 little cuts on top. Then you want to bake this for 18 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Comment down below if you love guava desserts. And the guava and cheese roll puffed up just beautifully. And you don't have to worry if they're not perfectly cut. I like it how it looks homemade. It's rustic. It's delicious. It's tiny. It's a perfect little treat for the holidays. Please give it a try. I love that guava paste. Now it's up to you. If you want to be a little bit greedy on the guava, put more in it. Come back tomorrow for my 12 days of Christmas, day 10. Happy holidays!